Hey, this is MKW Pros 124 with another Lego Hot Wheels machine slash gumball machine. It can be used for either one. It's pretty cool. So, first, I'm going to use the Hot Wheels. This is my first Hot Wheels one. So happy. So, it'll go like this. And then this thing will stop it, and it lifts up, and it'll crash into that at the end. So it'll be pretty cool. And then we'll put the gumball down, see what happens. Ready? Whoops. Didn't work. Let's retry that. Right over it. Alright. Now, lift it up. And there it goes, crashing. Now I'm going to put this down. Put the wall up. And then there it is. Alright, now get the gumball. Put it down. Ooh, it works for this too. And it knocks it down. So, thanks for watching this video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and post a video response. Love to see yours. Lego gumball machine or Lego Hot Wheels machine. So, alright. Bye.